I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by sanitizing tools and workspace to prevent infection, because bacteria hide on files and clippers. Once sanitized, remove any polish and trim nails to a consistent length. This sets shape and reduces tearing. Soak your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes in warm water to soften cuticles. This makes pushback safer and faster. Make sure to pat dry thoroughly so nail beds are ready for filing. These first actions create a clean, workable canvas for the rest of the manicure. Once the nails are dry, file each edge in one direction to avoid splitting. Choose a 180 or 240 grit depending on nail strength. After shaping, gently push cuticles back with a pusher. This exposes more nail surface for polish and prevents lifting. Trim only obvious hangnails with the nipper to avoid cutting healthy skin. Next, buff lightly to smooth ridges, but avoid overbuffing, which weakens nails. Make sure to remove all dust using a brush or sticky pad. So you begin coating with a base to protect the nail, then apply 2 thin color coats, making sure each dries or cures fully. Thin layers prevent bubbling and unevenness. Follow with a top coat and seal the free edge to lock chips out. If polish floods the cuticle, clean with a small brush dipped in remover immediately. Make sure to hydrate skin and cuticles with oil afterward to restore moisture. Finally, wait 5 to 10 minutes before heavy use, so layers fully set and resist dents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.